What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to review a couple of different push ads, and we're going to review them and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. So let's dive in.
But first, a little promotion. My full stack affiliate platform, the Deberoo Suite, now offers for a limited time only upwards to 80% off. We have a tracking software, a landing page builder and a spy tool, cash flow manager and so much more. So feel free to check it out through the description down below. Click the link. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, watch the video on the dashboard to claim your deal with upwards to 80% off. But if not of that, let's go back to the video.
Alright, so I'm at the homepage of Anstrax, and Anstrax is a spying tool for native push and recently also drop shipping. So if you don't have a spy tool yet, make sure to go to anstrax.com, and right here you see the different plans that they have. They have Anstrax Native for your native spying, Anstrax Push for spying on push notifications, and Anstrax Drop Shipping is currently still free and you can use that as well. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in and then we're going to review a couple of different ads. So first I'm going to change Anstrax Native to Anstrax Push since we want to spy on push ads today. And here we go. So we're just going to simply review a couple random ads. What I am going to do, you can use all these filters to better search for the ads that you're looking for, but I'm going to change the language to English. There we go. Best car manufacturers in the world. Best car manufacturers in the world. So, okay, if I have to review this ad, the first thing I would say, don't use the same description as your headline. Because the user, just like me, sees it under each other. They see the headline and under that, the description. So, make use of those word counts that you have and write something that is appealing, right? That makes me want to click. Now I'm just writing the same sentence twice. Doesn't make any sense. But let's take a look. What kind of offer is it? Is it an offer or is it just some sort of blog thing? TikTokfun.com. Okay. Doesn't seem to be loading. I don't know what kind of offer this is. So let's just skip ahead. We're just going to go to the next one. What do we have? Download ready. Click to download for free. So I guess this is a antivirus thing. The image is not great. There's not a whole lot of interest being made with this image. Not a lot of curiosity in the image, and the colors kind of blend into each other. So therefore I would say not a great image to use. I want to see the landing page because I want to see what kind of offer this is. Maybe we can do it this way. Let's visit their landing page and then we might know a little better what kind of offer we're working with. Okay, so it's not loading. Quite some problems with the landing pages today. Download ready, click to download for free. So the headline and the description are okay. Not great. And actually the same goes for the image. It's okay, but it's not great. Okay, what else do we have? Hello winner, take action. Okay, this is an ad for Canada. I would not use the same icon as the image personally. Why not? If you already have it as an image, that's great. And you want a popping image that asks for attention. However, the icon, I don't see why you should do it the same as the original image. I would just do something else, build something else, maybe another slot in this case, but definitely not the same image. Hello winner, take action. I do like that headline. Maybe I wouldn't say hello winner, but something like you won. if you already are allowed to use words like winner and won. And of course, get a description in there, very important. And then this is the landing page. It's just an opt-in, I think. All right. Okay. Not a great ad. I think with this image as well, it's yellow on yellow. So that win, 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 you really want that to pop out. That's the important message that you want to send with your image. And now, when it's on a yellow background, it all kind of blurs into each other. Of course, I'm still able to read win, but you want it to pop so that it catches that attention. Even if I don't want to read it, I still read it because it's so noticeable, right? That's the kind of thing that you want to create with your image here. Other than that, I do like the headline actually. It's okay. Definitely get a description in there. And then you're all good. Alright, what else do we have? Let's see. Okay, so this is some money-making offer. HSBC Online. Invest £250 today and earn £3,750 a week. Alright. And then we have this image right here with a lot of profit and a good ROI. So yeah, of course that's pretty good image. Not great since it's not popping, but it asks for curiosity. Like, okay, how can you get this much profit? How did you do that? That's the question that we have. The image, or I mean the icon is okay. It's just the HSBC sign with a one notification circle on top of it, which asks for some more urgency. So that's pretty good. And the headline is a bit weak, but the description is pretty good. So that makes up for it. Is this just Google? No, it's not. It looks like Google. It is Google. Let's visit this page. Yeah, okay, it's not Google. Alright. Oh, so it translated it to Dutch, since I'm currently in the Netherlands. But this seems like this is the actual offer page. So, yeah. Enter your email address and begin now. Alright. So, pretty good ad. I would use a landing page builder if I were him and not do a redirect. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Let's see what else we have on here. I want to try to go into a different niche. This looks like, it's not in English, but it looks like a weight loss offer. If we find another one, then we will focus on some new verticals like the weight loss. Let's see. Only in Frankfurt am Main. This knee protector can withstand up to 20 kilograms of weight. Okay. So what I do like about this picture is that the background is black and we have these yellow circles here. And I like the fact that you can see those bones in there as well. Although I do wonder how well you can see that if it's small on a push notification. But overall, I'd say the image is pretty good and it makes you ask, like, what is that? What does it do? Okay, it helps my knee, but what exactly is it? So pretty good image. Then the headline, only in Frankfurt am Main. This knee protector can withstand up to 20 kilograms of weight. It's okay. I like the fact that you create urgency with only in Frankfurt. However, the rest of the headline is decent but not great. This knee protector can withstand up to 20 kilograms of weight. I kind of want to see a problem solution thing. So, do your knees hurt? Use this knee protector that withstand up to 20 kilograms. Whatever, something like that. Where you have problem, I've got pain on my knees or I can't walk or whatever it is. Solution, this knee protector will help you get your life together. Alright. So yeah, I want to see problem solution in there, but other than that, pretty good offer. Alright, so it's another direct linking, it looks like. Alright, cool. Shall we do one more? Sure, why not? Let's see if we can find something else. Let's see. A big fat lie. What is this? Okay, so this caught my attention. And I don't know yet if it caught my attention because it's an awesome ad or if it caught my attention because it's a terrible ad. So we have this picture. And there's lots of curiosity in this picture because what is this? Is this a coconut and he's scraping it or what? What's going on? It looks like some sort of cream or something. So weird. He did do the image and the icon the same, which I'm not a big fan of, but okay, let's forget that. And then the headline is a big fat lie with a question mark on the end. No description. I've got no clue what I'm going into, but let's check it out. So yeah, I guess we have to go to the landing page to see what kind of offer this is. 35 Hollywood celebrities all grown up. Okay. Okay, I've got no clue what is happening to me right now. What is that headline? Why does it... This doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Oh, we have a shit ton of landing pages. Let's see if we have more of those random creatives. Okay. A whole lot of different creatives. And looks like he's promoting a lot of different ads and verticals. And these look like they're actually better, even though I cannot read all of them. But they actually seem to have a purpose. Whereas this ad, this initial ad where I clicked on a big fat lie, I don't see how this is going to make your campaign profitable. But whatever, if you can show me wrong, I'd be glad to see. So yeah, okay, tips for this ad. Another picture, another icon, a landing page builder where it's clear what it's about, a headline, and a description would be nice. Yeah. Okay, so I think we're gonna leave it right there. But of course, more to come, so stay tuned and I will catch you next time. Peace out.